Hello everyone, this is Maniramakrishna. Hope you understand. So this is a video regarding the Scilab. Okay, so in this video we are going to do about the PID. Okay, so PID first order, second order system. Okay, PID design. So here we're having the console. Okay, so Simulink console is there. Okay, so this is the Scilab console, and here's the Xcos. Okay, so if you click this Xcos, if it is opens to the as like MATLAB Simulink. Okay, here also opens this window, and here we having the palette browser. Okay, so here from the palette browser we can design the different types of the diagrams. Okay, so as like related one, so we can now I have already created. So this one. So here we having the from the palette browser whatever we are using. So one is the step response, step input, and we'll have in the sum function, PID, and second order system, and the scope, and this one is the clock. Okay, so here we have. So this is second order. So as like so I'm just copying and I show the first order. Okay, so here we click this one. So somewhat you okay. So how to write this one? So you can see here. So 2 star s power of 2 plus 2 star s. Okay, so in this way you need to write. Okay, so this is one. So here we having this, so you can click it, you can see here. Okay, next this one. So step response 101, step input, initial value, final value. Next we having the scope. Okay, scope will having so output window numbers. So one for automatic, so depend upon we have minimum maximum values. Okay, by minimum by. So what is the values we'll have? Okay, that is also shows. Okay, so we can put, and the clock pulse will okay, period installation. Okay, that will go. Next we'll go to the PID values. So have the so initial 0 1 1 1 placed, and here also both will have same. Now we will run this one. Let's check how it will be. Yeah. So here is the one for first order, another for second. Okay, so here we having the function zoom virginal view. Okay, want to zoom in. So if you want to zoom in this area, okay, click and wait a second. Okay, see, as like it comes. So now click this one, click on virginal. Okay, so here we go to the file. Okay, to export the figure. Okay, if you want to edit this figure, okay, you can this one edit, or going to here figure properties also you can click this one and edit. Okay, by clicking that one it will open the graphics. So line will have okay, we not to edit the line, we can line edit. Okay, line is solid, so if you want to dash line, it goes to the dash lines. Okay, long dash lines, okay, long dash lines, big dash lines. Okay, solid, okay, solid. So here we're having the thickness, okay, line, and arrow size. Here we'll having the color, next background color. So here we have the mark style, will have crosses. If you want to put the crosses, you can also put so points, mark size points. If you're placing the 10, see how it will. So just putting 0. See this one. It should like this. So we need to go to the figure properties, axis. Okay, somewhat slow will be there. Okay, some lagging will be there here. That only. So remaining all functions will be good. The polyline is selected. Okay, so here we'll having the 0.5. See, it will be good. I know. So yeah, See, it will change, man. It will change. Okay. So here we can see. Now, if you want to increase, okay. So here, whatever the scope we are giving, so 15 to 15. So that will be there. Here, want to save this figure. So go to here and export figure. Okay, it can click. You can check here. So how much time? Okay. So we'll having the PNG, JPG, EPS, PostScript, next PDF, SVG, enhanced data file, and GIF. Okay, so we're having the different. So you can where whichever we require, you can also export that figure format. Okay. So next I'm just showing the going to the copy it clipboard. Okay, as like MATLAB it shows or not. So I'm just checking the using the uh, raw.io. Okay, so this is the whatever the size is there. Okay, so whatever the size is there, so this much size is only it will show. If we increase this one, okay, so now if we copy the clipboard, now if we copy here, so here also does. So depend upon how much view is there, so same it will be reflected. Okay, that's the best. So I'm like matter. Okay, so this is in this way you can also do the similar experiments. Okay, as like the Scilab MATLAB, you can also do the perform the experiments here in the Scilab. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel if you want to encourage us. Thank you. Have a nice day.